In this tutorial, we will show you how to set the FM100 AFCI back to factory defaults. Resetting the FM100 AFCI to factory defaults will reset all programmed items to the factory default settings. This procedure will also set the battery nominal voltage based on the voltage range detection. For a 24-volt system, voltage range is 15.7 to 31.4 volts DC. For a 36-volt system, voltage range is 31.4 to 43.2 volts DC. For a 48-volt system, voltage range is 43.2 to 62.8 volts DC. Alright, to begin, turn off the PV input source breaker, followed by the battery output source breaker. Ensure all LEDs are off. Press and hold the EQ button. While holding, turn back on the battery source breaker. Continue to hold the EQ button for approximately 10 seconds. The status indicator will blink green rapidly. Continue holding the button until the status indicator begins blinking amber more slowly. When the reset is complete, the fault indicator will illuminate red. You may now release the EQ button and turn off the battery source breaker. Turn the battery source breaker back on. The FM100 will now sense the battery voltage and use this reading to determine the new nominal system voltage. Alrighty, you are all done. Thank you for watching.